you my two line friends, together with the trainers, one of a kind. On your left side is the eldest female South American two lions that we have. And she is Brooke Reedy, yes! Wow, confident! Her name is Icy. Together with trainer David, say hi! And on the other side is the youngest female South American two lions that we have here. And that makes her the cutest! Oh, shy girl! Her name is Ayla. Together with trainer Dave, say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why there are called fish or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do you have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Ladies, do you have feathers? And the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term flippers can only be translated as big-footed, since their flippers will look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater from place to place, right, ladies? And you know, they often be saving themselves because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals not do. As a result,